Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Talent cum scholarship exam will be held on 14/4/2020 and 19/4/2020.
Kurinji Educational Institutions, CBSE and State Board, Namakkal.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss another important part of surface chemistry, applications of adsorption. Adsorption is one of the surface phenomena. So in our day-to-day life, there are different type of applications are there in different type of industrial purpose and medicinal purpose and all kind of the different type of the methods. So what are the major applications of adsorption? Now we are going to discuss. The first application is production of high vacuum. Production of the high vacuum. So the remaining trace of air can be absorbed by the charcoal, from a vessel evacuated by vacuum pump to give a very high vacuum. So especially in the productions of high vacuum, absorption phenomena, it's to created the high vacuum. So that's why in case of the remaining trace of air can be absorbed. In the vacuum point of view, air can be absorbed by the charcoal. Air can be absorbed by the charcoal from a vessel evacuated by the vacuum pump and you give high vacuum. And the charcoal air is sent panna, high vacuum are created on the surface of the charcoal. So this is the one of the most important applications of charcoal versus the gases or air. So that's why the productions of high vacuums are created on the surface of charcoal, as a air. This is the first application method. And second one, gas mask. Gas mask, it's a device which consists of the activated charcoal or mixture of the adsorbent. Gas mask is nothing but a device which consists of activated charcoal or mixture of adsorbent. It is usually used in the breathing in coal mines because to absorb the poisonous gases. So the gas mask, it can easily to absorb the poisonous gases. So it is survive easily to breathing point of view. That's why every workers in the coal mines or charcoal mines, they are using the gas masks. So here gas masks are completely absorbed the gases particles inside of the coal mines. Very black color gases particles are there. It's more poisonous. So this is one of the best application method of the adsorption. So gases mask easily to remove the gases particle. They are not easily to enter. Gases are completely absorptions of the unnecessary particles of or unnecessary poison particles, hence easily to get the pure gases as a workers. This is the second applications of the adsorbent. And third application, control of humidity. It's also another important term, control of humidity. Silica and alumina gels. Silica and alumina gels are used as a adsorbent for removing of moisture and controlling the humidity. For example, silica gel and also aluminum gel, it's a very good adsorbent. It can easily to absorb the moistures and air to controlling the humidity. In the air, you know that very well, humidity is highly applicable. So, but how to control the humidity? By the process of adsorption, by the process of air adsorption, it can easily to controlling the humidity. It can easily to controlling the humidity. So, silica and alumina gel are used as a adsorbent for removing moisture and controlling of the humidity. Removing moisture and controlling of the humidity. So this is the third one. And fourth one, removal of the coloring matter from the solution. Removal of coloring matter from the solution. So now here animal charcoal remove the color of the solution by absorbing colored impurities. Animal charcoal is a good adsorbent to remove the color of the solution, by the absorbing colored impurities. So this first four one is very important applications in the adsorption process. First one is the productions of the high vacuum. Number two, gases masks in the mines. And number three, control of humidity, because of the silica gel and aluminum gels are used as a adsorbent for removing moisture and controlling of humidity. And fourth one is removal of the coloring matter from the solution. You know that very well. Animal charcoal remove color of the solution by absorbing colored impurities. For example, especially animal charcoal easily to absorb the color impurities from the any solution. This is the fourth applications method. And fifth one, it is very important, heterogeneous catalysis. So in the case of the catalytic process, you know, lot of the chemical reactions in organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, catalytic properties are there. So here the catalytes act as a adsorbent in the heterogeneous manner. Now in this process, heterogeneous of catalysis, adsorptions of reactant on the solid surface. Listen, adsorptions of reactant on the solid surface of the catalytic increases, the rate of the reactination also increases. There are many gases or reactant of industrially importance involving solid catalysis. So my dear student, in the catalytic properties, if the reactant converted into the product, if the rate of reactions is very slow, maybe the rate of reactions is very slow na, the rate of reactions is very slow. If added to catalyst, the catalysts are attack on the reactant surface, hence the rate of the reaction it should be increases. The rate of the reaction it should be increases. So that's point of view, catalytic properties or catalytic catalyst also to decided adsorption character, adsorption application. So that's why see here, adsorptions of reactant on the solid surface, adsorptions of reactant on the solid surface of the catalytic increases the rate of the reactination. There are many gases or reactants of industrial importance involving solid catalysis, solid catalysts. So for example, some catalysts are used in the manufacturing of some product. For example, in the Haber's method, ammonia is prepared. Ammonia is the prepared. In this process, iron is a catalyst and molybdenum is a promoter. You know that very well. Promoter is the promotions of the catalytic behavior. So that's why in the manufacturing of ammonia, using the catalyst iron catalyst is used. Actually, iron catalyst is not affected on the reaction. Then immediately to added the molybdenum catalyst, a molybdenum promoter. So molybdenum is a promoter in the Haber's method, and iron is a catalyst in the preparations of the Haber's method of ammonia. So on the similarly in the contact process. Contact process is nothing but it is a preparations of sulfuric acid. In the preparations of sulfuric acid, here either platinum or vanadium pentoxide, platinum or vanadium pentoxide are used. Platinum or vanadium pentoxide is used as a catalyst in the contact process, especially in the process of sulfuric acid to prepare sulfur burning with oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is existed. Sulfur dioxide again treated with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. In this way, vanadium pentoxide is a catalyst. Vanadium pentoxide is catalyst. So now in this, catalysts are easily to adsorbent of the solid material, hence the rate of the reaction it should be increases. So now see here, manufacturing of ammonia using iron as a catalyst, manufacturing of ammonia using iron as a catalyst, manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. Preparation of ammonia method is the Haber's method, and preparations of sulfuric acid is the contact process. So manufacturing of ammonia using iron as a catalyst, manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process by using of platinum or vanadium pentoxide, platinum or vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst, and use of the finely divided nickel in the hydrogenations of oil. You know, one more important method, hydrogenations of oils. You know, oils are converted into the fat. Nickel catalysts are used at 250 degrees centigrade Celsius because oils are unsaturated oil at room temperature. Fats are solid, semi-solid substances. If the oils are converted into the fat, definitely nickel catalysts are used. Definitely nickel catalysts are used. So that's why, my dear student, here most important catalytic property, not only this one, a lot of the catalytic properties are there. Vinyl polymerization. In this vinyl polymerization, Ziegler-Natta catalysts are used. Titanium tetrachloride, Ziegler-Natta catalysts are used, and dehydrogenation of alcohol, copper is used, and platinum is used in the different type of the industrial preparations method. So these are all of them is very important catalytic properties. So what are the catalytic properties in the chemistry? They are very good. Adsorption applications are applicable. So that's why especially in this category, heterogeneous catalytic category, in the Haber's method ammonia preparation, iron is a catalyst, and contact process, sulfuric acid, preparation of sulfuric acid, vanadium pentoxide is a catalyst. So in the hydrogenations of oils, nickel is the catalyst. Okay ma? So now the catalytic which involve in the adsorption, all catalysts are involved in the adsorption process, then easily to reactant converted into the product, So this is the most important application method of the adsorption, especially in the catalytic properties. Now next one is separations of inert gases. You know that very well. What are the inert gases? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So from the argon it can easily to separate remaining gases. So that's why separations of inert gases here, important thing is the adsorption character is easily to separations of the inert gases due to the differentiation in the degree of adsorption of gases by the charcoal. A mixture of noble gases can be separated in the diverse method by adsorption coconut charcoal at a different temperature. Coconut charcoal at different temperature. Now my dear student, the most important key point is inert gases is not existed in the atmosphere individually. Every inert gases they are obtained from the argon by the fractional distillations method. In this process, that separations of inert gases, in this process the differentiations of the adsorption gases charcoal mixture of noble gases. Ipo noble gases ki charcoal mixtures add panna can be easily to separated through diverse method. Diverse method is the separations of inert gases easily in the different temperature. So this is also very important application method of the adsorption character to separations of the inert gases. Okay, Nana? Now next application method is fourth flotation method. It is also very important application in the metallurgical process. Fourth flotation enna, it is easily to separated of the sulfide impurities from the ore solution. It is also very important application method. So it is easily to separated sulfide ore. So now see here, a low grade sulfide ore is concentrated means here to separation. A low grade sulfide ore is concentrated by the separating it form silica and other earthy matter by this method using fine oil and fourthing agents. So fourth flotation method enna, if any impurities, sulfur impurities are present in the ore, how they are separated na, just we added some adsorbent material such as fine oil or silica gel. If the silica gel or fine oil are rotated in the fourth flotation process, then the sulfur ore removed as foam. It is one of the important application method of the adsorption process in the fourth flotation. Fourth flotation process is the most important process in the metallurgical process to remove of the sulfide impurities from the ore by using of the fine oil or silica gel. So this is a very important application method in the metallurgical process. And after that, incurring diseases. A number of drugs are used to kill germs by getting adsorbed on them. So it is also another important application process. That application process is nothing but a number of drugs are used to kill germs by getting the adsorbent on them. So adsorption character is also very helpful in the medicinal purpose to curing the diseases, especially kill germs, curing the kill germs in the process of adsorption. And last one, lubrications. Graphite act as a good lubricant due to the absorptions of gases. At high altitude, it loses its lubricating properties because of this pressure of the gases is very much reduced, leading to the removal of adsorbent gases from the surface of the graphite. So these are the another important, but there is no any space. Another two important applications are there. Adsorptions of indicators. Listen, Nana. Adsorptions of indicator. Surface of certain precipitates such as silver halide have the property of absorbing some dyes like eosin, fluorescein, etc., and thereby producing the characteristics of color at the end point. This is also another application method. And one more one, recovery of product. Some valuable products are lost in the liquid. These are adsorbent on the suitable adsorbent and later recovered by the shaking them with a suitable solvent. The best example of the recovery of the product, absorption chromatography. So these are the major applications of adsorption. In my next class we are going to discuss catalysis. Okay, ma?